up with Miss Electra, and today's video is what I picked up from Hobby Lobby for Valentine's Day. So they had good stuff. I was happy with some stuff I really didn't care for, but because this year I'm mostly looking more for like rustic kind of Valentine's Day, if that makes any sense. But let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so in Hobby Lobby I found these two. They weren't at the Valentine section, but I just loved it. So this one says love dot, and this one is wood with a heart. So I'm looking more for stuff like this, which I like the Valentines too. I'm going to incorporate both of them. So I was looking more for stuff like this, and this you can use all year round, really. So I picked this up. It's really cute. It's like a wood sign. This one's just a heart. This one's pretty. So I picked that up, and then I picked up this love sign, and it lights up, galvanized. I think that's pretty. You know what I'm going for. So yeah, I didn't even tell you guys how much anything was, but now I know it's 40% on all the Valentines. So I didn't get these 40%, but now they're 40%. So I'm going to be going back to see if I want to pick up some other stuff. But like I was telling you, I'm looking more for like wood hearts, you know, a lot of like wood kind of stuff. So I know Michael's, because I seen someone post, has a lot of stuff that I like. So I'll be going to Michael's, so stay tuned for that video. Maybe I'll pick up some wood, you know, hearts in there, because I did see some, and hopefully they're still there. You know, they have like galvanized tin hearts, so I hope they're still there. And maybe I'll go this weekend and I will show you guys. So anyway, and then I picked up this. This one is really cute. I liked it. I like the font. It was a little glittery, but I don't know. I just loved it. It's on wood. It's a wood sign. This one is $4.99, but it's 40% off now. You know, I don't know. It kind of like reminds me like, you know, a kid wrote it, but not really, right? No, but I don't know. I guess the heart. But I just loved how it looked, and it looks pretty. It's like on the side. And then they had another one, but I just chose this one because it was more white. The other one was more like red. And then they had these beautiful little like rose little wreaths, I guess. So I picked this. They have red and pink ones, but I was like, you know what, let me just get the white, because I think I can incorporate it better. And plus you could use this even after Valentine's Day. You know, you could put it in your bedroom, you know, make your bedroom like romantic if it's like shabby chic. So this is really cute. And then I picked up this love banner. You know, I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I just liked it. You know, it was burlappy. So it's not that long though. So I was thinking of putting it like, you know, like an old rustic farmhouse mirror, an old rustic like farmhouse window pane. You could put it on and then just display that like that. I think that would be a good idea. It's not that long. And then I found these. I filled them up. So it's little burlappy bags. You could use these for decorating too, you know. It looks pretty like that. So the tip is you stuff them. I stuffed them with paper so they can look really nice and like something's in there. If you don't want the heart, you can always use it like this too for all year round. All right, I made a mess out of this, but these were Scrabble tiles. Oh God, hold on. All right, so then I picked up these Scrabble tiles. I really made a mess out of it because I wanted to spell something and do like a kind of like a DIY. But look how cute it is. They're like, you know, Scrabble tiles. So it says like be mine and I love you. You can spell those out. So which I thought, you know, I could use one of the wood stuff that I got from Target, Dollar Spot. You know, I could put like the tiles in here and spell something. You know, even the other like wood hearts they have in Target. So I was thinking of maybe doing something like that, like a DIY, because I like the tile, the Scrabble tiles. And then I picked up this. Look how cute this is. They had yellow, purple. I don't think they had red. I don't know what other color they had, but look how cute. You know, this was gonna go for my bar cart if I was to get a bar cart. But anyway, so that was my vision. I was like, oh, I might put that with all the stuff from Target because it was like pinkish. So I don't know, maybe I need a few more and put it somewhere. I don't know, but I just got this one. Maybe I'll just get all the colors. There was yellow, I think the green, kind of like the conversation heart colors, you know. So this is really, really cute. I know this is gonna, I know this is gonna go quick. I don't even know if they're gonna still have them if I go back. So this is a really nice pick. And then I just picked up these straws, little hearts, you know. They had plates. You see how the hearts are? The hearts are like a foil heart, which is really pretty. So they had plates, napkins, they had wrapping paper, everything to match this, you know, this design. So I didn't pick all those, but if I go back, I might get the plates so we can have for Valentine's Day. So I thought this design was really nice in Hobby Lobby. So if you're looking for paper plates and stuff, this one is really nice. You know, they're like foiled hearts. So I think that's it from Hobby Lobby. I'll be going to Michael's. Hopefully I can find the things I want for Valentine's Day. All right, so, oh, one thing. Okay, I want to show you this that I got from HomeGoods. I don't even remember what else I bought because this was before Christmas and then we got sick. I can't even remember what else I got and I didn't show you guys from HomeGoods. But anyway, so when I was little, we had this lunchbox. Same exact, which I wish my mother would have kept because that's the vintage one. But, so, when I saw this, I was like, I have to buy it because it reminds me of my childhood, and it's plaid, and it's great for when I do my decor vignettes and stuff, you know, for the rustic farmhouse. You know, this would be good by the hot cocoa bar, the candy bar, or whatever. So I was like, I just love it. So I had to get it. We had the exact same one. I couldn't believe it. I was like, oh my God, that's the lunchbox. And I thought of it because I was looking for plaid stuff. Plaid thermoses, like vintage ones, because I really like that. And I thought about that lunchbox because I was like, it would be good if my mother still had that lunchbox and I would use that lunchbox for what I want to create. And lo and behold, I went to HomeGoods and I saw it. I was like, I'm buying it. My husband thought I was crazy. I was like, no, I had this lunchbox when I was little and I've been looking for that. I even thought of it and I was like, if I had it to this day, I would use it. But so I'm going to be using this. How cute. I just love it. So nostalgic. You know, we had those hard lunch boxes, those tin, but I just love it because it's plaid. I love plaid. All right, so that's it for Hobby Lobby Valentine's, what I picked up. So I have many, many more videos, and I will show you how I decorate, and hopefully I find a bar cart to decorate that. All right, so stay tuned for all my other videos. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!